Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin with, you will need a few basic tools for this battery change: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Make sure you have everything ready before you start. If you don't have the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have your device serviced without any hassle. First, turn off your Conga Ethereal Max and unplug it from the charging station. Safety is paramount, so ensure the device is completely powered down. Next, locate the screws that secure the battery compartment. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently slide the battery compartment cover off. You may encounter some resistance, so use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry it open if necessary. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the plastic casing. Now that you have access to the battery, carefully disconnect the old battery. There will be a connector that you need to gently pull apart. It's essential to handle this with care to avoid damaging the connectors. If you find it difficult, consider that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help you determine if there are any other issues with your device. Once the old battery is removed, take a moment to clean the interior of the battery compartment with your soft cloth. Dust and debris can accumulate over time, which can affect performance. A clean compartment ensures better contact with the new battery. Now, take your new battery and connect it to the same connector that held the old battery. Make sure it is securely attached. If you're unsure about the connection, remember that we provide quotes before repair, so you can have peace of mind knowing what to expect. After connecting the new battery, carefully align the battery compartment cover back into place. Ensure it fits snugly without forcing it. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely but not overly tight, as this can cause damage. Congratulations! You have successfully changed the battery in your Conga Ethereal Max. Before you power it back on, take a moment to check for any loose screws or components. If everything looks good, plug the device back into the charging station and allow it to charge fully before first use. And remember, if you encounter any issues during this process, we're just a call away for convenient service options. No calls, no travel needed, just easy solutions for your tech needs. Power on your device and test it to ensure everything is working as expected. Enjoy the enhanced performance of your Conga Ethereal Max with its new battery. This simple maintenance task can greatly extend the life of your vacuum and maintain its optimal performance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.